Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on multi-hit in Project Zomboid. To turn it on, you must be in a custom sandbox. This can't be toggled mid-game in a default save without a mod. When you start a new game, choose Custom Sandbox instead of Survivor or Apocalypse. Then go to the Sandbox options screen. Inside Sandbox Options, click on the Character section and look for the setting labeled Weapon Multi-Hit. Check that box to enable multi-hit. This lets weapons with long reach hit more than one target per swing. After enabling it, finish creating your world and spawn in normally. With multi-hit enabled, weapons like bats, axes, or katanas can damage multiple zombies with one attack, if they are properly lined up in front of you. If you already have a save and want to toggle it without restarting, you'll need a mod like Change Sandbox Options from the Steam Workshop. And that's how you turn on multi-hit in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.